Hey everyone, and welcome to Care Chronicles. I'm so glad you're here. This is a space where we explore simple yet powerful ways to take care of our amazing bodies. Today we're diving into something truly transformative, the top 5 benefits of stretching daily. Whether you're new to stretching or looking for a little inspiration to keep going, these benefits will remind you why making time for stretching is a beautiful act of self-care. So let's roll out our mats and get started. Let's talk about flexibility, my friends. It's not just about touching your toes, although that's pretty awesome too. Daily stretching gently encourages your muscles to lengthen and become more pliable over time. Imagine your muscles like taffy. Warm taffy stretches, cold taffy snaps. This increased flexibility makes everyday movements feel so much easier. Bending down to tie your shoes, reaching for that high shelf, or simply getting out of bed in the morning becomes more graceful and less of a chore. And here's a bonus. Improved flexibility can be a game changer for preventing injuries, especially during workouts. When your muscles are more flexible, they're less likely to get strained or pulled, allowing you to move with more freedom and confidence. So, let's give our bodies that loving attention and work towards a greater range of motion, one stretch at a time. Okay, let's be real for a moment. Life can get pretty demanding, right? Our bodies often hold on to that stress, especially in our muscles. That's where stretching comes in as a powerful tool for relaxation. When we stretch, we're not just lengthening our muscles, we're also releasing built-up tension. Think about it. When you're stressed, you might clench your jaw, hunch your shoulders, or tighten your hips. Stretching gently encourages those muscles to let go, creating space for a sense of calm to wash over you. And here's a little tip. Combine your stretches with deep, conscious breaths. Inhale as you move into the stretch, and exhale as you release. This pairing of movement and breath is like a mini massage for your nervous system, calming your mind and melting away stress. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, roll out your mat and give yourself the gift of a good stretch. You deserve it. Raise your hand if you spend a good chunk of your day sitting. Me too. While modern life often involves a lot of sitting, it's no secret that it can wreak havoc on our posture. But don't worry, stretching is here to help. Think of stretching as a way to counteract the effects of gravity and those long hours spent hunched over screens. When we stretch, we're strengthening the muscles that support our spine and helping our bodies realign into a more upright and balanced posture. Over time, this can lead to a significant improvement in how you stand, walk, and even how you feel in your own skin. Imagine, shoulders rolling back, chest open, head held high. That's the power of good posture, my friends. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about feeling strong, confident, and aligned from the inside out. So, let's stand tall and embrace the incredible benefits of stretching for a happier, healthier back and a more radiant you. Let's talk about circulation, shall we? Our bodies are incredible networks of pathways, and just like we need fresh air to breathe, our muscles and organs need a steady flow of oxygen-rich blood to thrive. Stretching plays a key role in boosting that circulation. When we stretch, we're increasing blood flow to our muscles, which is like giving them a revitalizing massage from the inside out. This increase in circulation is especially beneficial after exercise. Think about it. When we work out, we're asking our muscles to work hard, and they deserve some TLC afterward. Stretching helps deliver nutrients and oxygen to those hard-working muscles, reducing soreness and speeding up recovery time. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, make stretching a part of your routine to keep your blood flowing and your muscles happy. Let's be honest, we've all experienced those days when we feel sluggish and drained, like we're running on fumes. Well, guess what? Stretching can be an amazing pick-me-up. It's like a natural energy drink for your body and mind. When we stretch, we're not only improving circulation but also increasing oxygen flow throughout our system. This boost in oxygen is like a breath of fresh air for our cells, waking them up and giving us a surge of energy. Think about it. When you're feeling tired, you might instinctively yawn or stretch your arms overhead. Your body is naturally seeking ways to increase oxygen intake and get your energy flowing again. So, the next time you're feeling that midday slump or lacking motivation, step away from the coffee and try some simple stretches instead. You'll be amazed at how a few minutes of mindful movement can leave you feeling refreshed, alert, and ready to take on the world. And there you have it. Those are just 5 of the incredible benefits of stretching daily. Remember, consistency is key, Start small, be kind to your body, and listen to what it needs. Even a few minutes of stretching each day can make a world of difference in how you feel physically, mentally, and emotionally. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Care Chronicles for more simple and effective ways to prioritize your well-being. Until next time, keep shining.